On tabs in the lower part of the case view page, you can see different case details useful for solution of the corresponding problem. The Case tab is the registration view. Here you can see information about the end user. You can select an end user, a reporter, and the customer using icon shown on the screen. Options concerning inventory will be described in the separated video. Also, you can find on this tab description of the problem actually in the description field. Solution description in the correspondent field. Also, you can leave different comments and notes in the case diary field. The Description tab contains the description, the solution description, and the case diary fields separately. In the Actions tab, you can add or delete different actions. In fact, they are kind of subcases of a certain case. An action could be created manually, like it is shown on the screen right now. In this case, it is possible to enter the amount of time spent on an action in a few ways, as you can see. Moreover, an action can be chosen from action templates. Apply selected template and it will appear in the action list. Here is the Report Time tab. This is where you can see how much time is spent on the case. The Inventory tab will be described in details in the separated video. If you have agreements with customers, the information about them will be shown on this tab. On the Used Parts tab, it's possible to add to the case spare parts or products that were needed to resolve the problem described in this case. This might be useful, for example, if it is needed to add such items to an invoice. On the Documents tab, you can attach different documents connected somehow with the current case. It's also possible to attach various links to the case. On the Journal tab, it is possible to make notes that could be reviewed by the other case handlers. When working with the case, it might be good to have some history. Here it's possible to see history about the specific case, the user, the customer, and the inventory.